everybody.
Hi guys.
Everett and Dawn here. Today is January 1st, 2022. So happy New Year to everyone. We hope everyone had a happy holiday season. But we're just coming to you guys quickly because we haven't put out a video in a minute. So we want to explain some things to you.
Yeah, so unfortunately we had a rocky holiday season. We haven't put out videos like we wanted to. We had a death in the family. Our youngest daughter got COVID, her fiance got COVID. So it was up and down as to who was coming for the holidays, who was not. My in-laws had to travel up to New York as well as my husband for the funeral. So we didn't know what was going on for a while, and we did not put out videos like we had intended. So now we're trying to get back on track and let you guys know that we did not forget about you. And we have some exciting news that we're going to share in a minute. And we're hoping that you guys are going to have a prosperous, healthy season. And we look forward to many more videos coming up. If you guys have been with us hanging on, we are in, as far as you know, Niagara Falls, New York. Back in, I think that was July or August.
It was August, I think.
August. So there's more to finish up that summer series, and it was a good summer series. We had a good time. So we are going to get back on those videos and get them out to you.
Yeah, and one of the other things that I just want to say really quick was that I was working on some things, so we kind of shut it down like around November time. It'd be like the middle of November. Yeah. But I'm actually starting up
exciting news.
I'm starting up a new channel. It's going to be connected to the Retired Life Ollie Style travel channel, but I do fly drones. So I was working on getting my drone license, which I have passed, and
yay!
Here it is. Yeah, so I took the test November the 1st. And I passed, and it was kind of stressful because it's a lot of information, but that's for another channel. But my other channel is going to be Flyin' Ollie Style with no G. Flyin', Flyin' Ollie Style.
Right.
Yeah. So that being said, so now I am now a certified commercial drone pilot. I can actually fly and make money for business, aerial photos, things of that nature. So that was the exciting news.
Yeah, so that is exciting. So those of you that like to watch drone shots, and I'm sure he's going to be doing it as we travel and maybe doing extra excursions on his own to show you different areas. So that should be fun for you guys to follow if you want to do that. Coming up this season, I'll tell you, we have a couple of trips to Disney. We have a camping trip coming up. There's a new RV park that we're going to share with you and let you know how that RV park is in our area. And then we have a big cruise. We have a big cruise. Hopefully, if we can keep this COVID thing under bay, we've got a big cruise coming up in September.
In the fall, right? Yeah.
So, and that we're going to share with you the ship and everything. But I'm going to hold on to that for a minute because honestly, that has been rescheduled. I don't even know, like multiple times because of COVID. Over the past 3 years. So it's been pushed back. So I'm going to hold on to that because I'm going to put it out to the universe that it's going to happen.
So I think that's about it, right?
That's about it, guys. I want to thank all of you that have been hanging out with us, our new subscribers, our friends that have been there, tried and true. I believe at this point we are 332 subscribers. I don't remember, but thank you all. We really appreciate you.
We really appreciate it.
Like and share, our channel so we can get more out there for you and get to meet more of you guys. And we've made friends with some people along the way, which is also a lot of fun. We'll be going to share that video that we met.
I don't mean to cut you up. I do want to give a quick shout out to, we met some of the YouTubers that we follow. I want to give a shout out to Nate and Marion from Romancing the States.
Yes.
They were actually, we met up with them on the road during our summer trip in Pennsylvania, and then we just been like communicating back and forth, and they actually ended up here in our town where we live, and we actually got to meet up with them and actually spend a little time and get to chit chat and talk with them. When we were on the road, it was at a gas station, so
Yeah,
we were
so
kind of
loves.
blocking traffic, so we really didn't have time. We just waved and said who we were, and they said who they were, and we moved on. But shout out to Nate and Marion, they're the best. So watch their channel.
Yeah,
Romancing the States.
and Life Unboxed. Marion has her own channel, so make sure to tune into that as well.
And Nate has a Christmas channel and a Halloween channel.
Yes.
I believe. Yes. I don't know the name
that
of it,
Nate
sorry.
guy.
That
Nate guy.
that
So
Nate.
you can sign on to watch him as well. And I think that's it. Again, thank you guys so much. Thank you for your understanding. And we're gonna get back out there and
That's right.
time for us to get to getting.
Get to getting.
See you soon.
See you, everybody.
When we wait,
Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like that video. And don't forget to subscribe.
side by
Please
side,
ring
our
that
feet
bell
sit
to
down.
find out when new content drops.
Oh, the good times.